How y'all doing? Okay, so this is your homeboy Justin. We're back in our bathroom. Our bathroom, my bathroom. This ain't y'all bathroom. Okay, it's my bathroom. Anyway, so this is a quick Dreadlock Q&A because I got a question from Franklin McCrary, who asks, "How many dreads do you have?" And he asked this a while ago, and I didn't know. I didn't want to know. I know that some people have superstitions about knowing how many dreads you have. So I was kind of like, ain't my cup of tea. I'ma just, I don't know. I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna worry about it. But after doing these two-strand twists, I realized that if I take the number of rubber bands that I took out of my hair and do a little bit of arithmetic, some polynomials. Actually, this would probably be a monomial because we just got one variable. Sorry, anyway, math speak. Basically, if we use the number of rubber bands that we have and multiply that by how many dreads we had in each twist, we will get the number. So here's your little equation, alright? It's gonna be here on the screen. If you solve it, then you know how many dreadlocks I have. And if you can't solve it, then you need to hit them books and figure out how to do this simple equation because it is not that difficult. And I'm not even gonna flat out and tell you guys the number actually. I don't know right now. I know how many rubber bands there are, which is something you do need to know. There are 39 rubber bands. And I'll let you go from there, but yeah. Okay, so if you figured it out, great. If you haven't figured it out, keep on trying. Okay, I will tell you guys at the very end of the video. Okay, I'll give you like 5 more seconds. Start with 1, right with 2, add with 3. Alright y'all, so if you haven't figured it out, I'll just flat out and tell you, okay? But before I tell you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you liked it, let me know in the comments below what type of videos you guys want to see, alright? Okay, and the answer is 1